Welcome to the GinGee GoodEarth show. I'm your host, Ginger Lily, and I have just finished making the preparations for the Asparagus&LeekGalette, which is a flat round cake of pastry, often topped with fruit, but we're using the vegetables today, and we're processing the crème fraîche and the feta cheese with one whole lemon and the zest of one lemon. And we have the lemon. We're going to use the grapeseed oil in a frying pan, and we're going to heat up the asparagus and the leeks. And then we add the crème fraîche feta cheese mixture to the bottom of the pie dough. Then we add the asparagus and the leeks on top. And I topped it off with a slice of Crackle Barrel sharp Swiss cheese. And then I egg washed the pie on the top with 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of water mixed, and then as you can see I added the sesame seeds on top. So they both have sesame seeds. So this recipe took 2 cans of cut up asparagus, 3 bunches of leeks, and it's a very simple recipe, and I will show you the recipe here. The asparagus and leek galette starts off with pie dough, then the filling and the assembly, which I talked about. It goes in the oven at 400 for 45 minutes, and this is out of the new Jessie Tyler Ferguson cookbook, and the cookbook is called Food Between Friends, and I hope that you enjoy. Also in the crème fraîche feta cheese mixture with 1 juice of a lemon and also the zest of a lemon, I have incorporated the Herbes de Provence, which contains tarragon and other mints, leaves, and crushed herbs. So it's, as you can see, to add the flavor to the lemon zest and the feta cheese. And it's just like making a pie, but with vegetables. Have a great day.